Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is nouns. For all levels, it will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Plan. Do you have a plan to solve the problem? Last year, Jennifer's soccer team had 5 and 3 losses. 5 wins and 3 losses. The paper is burning. Soon we will only see this is the powder that's left over after something burns. The ashes. The word is only ash, but we almost always use it in the plural form with es. Bob's gonna have with his children about it or the problem. This means Bob will speak to his children. He will have a discussion. Talk. He's going to have a talk with his kids. Talk is a noun here. When you got the pizza, how much was This is when you get a pizza at home and someone brings it to you. We're talking about the service here of bringing something. How much was the delivery? From the verb to deliver. This word has 2 meanings. She has a strong, this means determination and perseverance. They will read this is an important document. Will. This is will as a noun. 2 meanings. It's very difficult. Please check your dictionaries. We work for a large accounting. This is another word for a company or a business, usually very big. A firm. A large accounting firm in London. A family will go camping and they have a young child and it might be dangerous. And then someone says, "Don't worry, his parents took many." These are things you do in advance to avoid problems and prevent injuries. Precautions. Things you do in advance to avoid problems later. This child will be getting money later, but she's too young. So we say the money will be held in until she turns 18. The money will be held in a trust. Trust is a noun here. Please check your dictionaries. It's quite difficult. And read the whole entry for trust, noun. There are many along the highway. This is when you're driving and you see these really big signs that are advertising. Billboards. There are many billboards along the highway. Bye-bye.